Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to unfollow on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app. After that, if you find someone's post on your home feed and you don't really want to see post from that user in your Facebook feed, you can just go to your friend's profile. Top at three dots, top at following, and then we can switch it from default to unfollow. Once you unfollow a user, you will stop seeing their post in your newsfeed. However, you will still stay friends. You can also unfollow a user in a different way. To do that, go to menu, then go to friends, select your friends and search for a user you would like to unfollow. And once you find the user, you can unfollow them by going to their profile or by tapping at these three dots and select and unfollow. It's a stop seeing boss, stay friends. That's how you can easily unfollow users on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.